these are, you know, there's a little button, isn't there? But mine was weighted, so I would always go, and it was never meant to do this, but I quite liked that guy Riff in the Jets, and he used to have a penknife, and he used to like flip it open, so that's where all of that, like it was a knife. So I think it's about treating it like it's a, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, of course, please.
We love you, Matt!
There you go. I know some of you have travelled like miles and miles, and you know, the fact you turn up to these things is a very strange and humbling experience. So thank you for turning up and coming. It means a lot.